Let me ask you something. Why is it that some people make 20,000 a year and save money, but some other people make 100k a year, but then still live paycheck after paycheck? Here's the truth. It doesn't matter how much money you make. One thing determines whether you build wealth or stay broke. This is your financial habits, not your income, not your job title or your goals, but it is your daily money habits. Now let's break it down, and by the end of this, you know the difference between financial freedom and financial failure. You see, we are taught that the solutions of our problem is to make more money. Income does help, however, it won't fix the issue. Let me explain what really happens. You get a raise, you get a nice car. You get a bonus, you book a holiday. You double your salary, and then you decide to upgrade your lifestyle. So here's the thing. You earn more, you spend more. You work harder, and you're always stressed. And one day, you're going to realize that you've made 6 figures for 5 years and you're still broke. Now let's talk about why this happens. This is not just a spending issue. It is a mindset issue. If you were never taught how to manage or save your money, if saving felt impossible while you're growing up, or when you were a kid, if you watched debt get normalized in your home, then you carry that mindset with you even when you earn more. You see, your income can grow, but if your mindset stays the same, then nothing changes. You will be in a survival mode. You chase comfort through spending. You will still avoid budgeting because it feels restricting and not empowering. Now let's talk about 3 habits that breaks or make your financial life, no matter how much you earn. The first one is conscious spending. Now let me explain. Most people don't have money spending problem. They have tracking problem. Start telling your money where to go before it disappears. Use budget, track expenses weekly, and review every month. Now, this will give you control and clarity. The second is automatic saving. Saving money should not be a decision. It should be a system for you. Automate it. Even though if it's £20 a week, start building the habit. Habits scale with income. They don't start after you start to make more. The third is long-term thinking. The biggest financial win don't come from what you do this week. It comes from what you repeat for years. So this means saying no to short-term pleasures, investing consistently, avoiding lifestyle inflation, and thinking in decades, not in weekends. Now, here's what it comes down to. If you can't manage £1,000, then trust me, you can't manage £10,000. If you can't save £25,000, trust me, you won't be able to save £100,000. This is due to money doesn't change who you are. It just magnifies your habit. So if you want to get ahead, start building the right habit now before your next raise, before your next client, and before your next big win. This is how you build wealth and not just income. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.